Grades versus learning is a perennial debate in the academic community. Some people say that good grades are all that matter, since they are a clear proof of competence and credibility. And others say that conceptual learning is all that matters, since that's what's needed for real world problem solving. Conceptual learning and grades can actually go hand in hand, provided you are mainly interested in learning what is being taught in your classroom and is a part of your syllabus. The tug of war between learning and grades starts the moment you get interested in things which are outside your curriculum. This problem has become particularly aggravated over the past decade or so, mainly due to the availability of excellent online learning resources and the inability of our education system to adapt to the diversity in aspirations of our young minds. The most important point to understand here is that you have 24 hours in a day, and this time must be utilized very effectively to maximize your future personal and professional growth. And so, you need to figure out how much time you need to spend on exam preparation for grades and how much time you wish to spend on conceptual learning of your favorite subjects. It is true that conceptual learning can help in getting better grades, but exam performance also depends on many other factors. For example, your familiarity with the kind of questions being asked and the speed at which you can answer those questions. So, the amount of time and effort that you spend on exam performance depends on mainly two factors: your target grade and your ability to crack exams. Trying to maximize exam performance is helpful only till your school or 12th class level because your college admissions depend completely on your board exams and your entrance exam performance. However, beyond that, there are many factors apart from grades which influence how well you will do in your career. For example, getting admission into a good university for higher education may require very good grades, but getting a job in the IT or consultancy industry may not have a very high grade threshold. So, if pursuing your particular career choice does not require very high grades, you could use the available time judiciously to develop the required technical skills and build networks. And this is going to be very helpful in the future. Take up a few topics based on your interests and try to acquire some depth in them. Just superficial knowledge will not take you very far. And for deepening your understanding, you need to have regular discussions and brainstorming sessions with others who are interested in similar topics. Companies also look for interpersonal and communication skills, which can be enhanced by volunteering in and organizing various activities at your college. And finally, make sure to stay updated with what's happening in the world outside your college campus. The bottom line is that you must keep learning and keep growing. And this must be a continuous process that happens on a daily basis. As they say, movement is life, stagnation is death.